In this video, I'm going to show you how to say big numbers in English. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. We have 100. If we have 3 zeros, it's 1,000. And then this number is 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, and 1 billion. What is this number? Well, you guessed it, it's 300. How about this one? It's 712. This one is 9001. And this number? Easy. 16,017. So notice there is a comma and then there are 3 numbers. So we know it's 16,017. Now it's gonna get a little bit harder, so take your time. This is 583,722. So 583,722. And this one? Well, we see 2 commas. So it's 712,583,901. Let's do 2 more. So we see there are 3 commas. So it's 14 billion, 12 million, 83,001. So how do you say this number? There are 4 commas, 12 zeros. So this turns out to be 1 trillion. And this one? Well, if I get a big number like this, the first thing I'm going to do is put commas into this number. So for every 3 numbers here, we're going to put a comma, and then here we're going to put a comma. So you get something like this. You can see that there are 4 commas in total, so we get 14 trillion, 13 billion, 583 million, 1,650. So if you guys found this video super helpful and useful and you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.